Our first challenge is the holiday classic.
We want you all to make cookies.
You can add whatever you want to make it your own.
How are your cookies gonna tell the story of your family?
My family, of course, being Latino, we love a good party.
It's really a tribute to our baby. We're from Alabama. This is a representation of the flavors we love there.
I love cookies.
I love cookies.
Baked with Love Holiday on Hallmark Channel.